the YouTube channel Python Tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this session, I am going to discuss about a Python keyword, that is the import keyword. Import keyword. Okay. Import keyword in Python. Right. What is the use of the import keyword? This keyword is used to import the modules. This keyword is used to importing the modules, importing the built-in modules, built-in modules or libraries, built-in libraries, built-in modules or built-in libraries, and user-defined modules, and the user-defined modules is also used for the user-defined modules also. It is a predefined keyword in Python. It is a predefined keyword in Python. In Python, it is available different formats. Now there are the different format, different syntax or different format. That is the syntax. Now that is the syntaxes. These are the syntaxes of import statement. Each and every syntax, and with example. For example, syntax 1. This is a syntax 1. First syntax is import module name. Import the current module name. Any module. The import is a given keyword in Python. This keyword is mainly used in importing the either built-in modules or built-in libraries and the user-defined modules also. Now the first syntax, it is available in the different formats, in the different forms. The first syntax one is import and any module name. Here, for example, the example one, import. There are the different modules. Are available. One is a math module, keyword module, random module. Okay. Again, NumPy module, SciPy module, Pandas module, Matplotlib module. These all are the user built-in modules, predefined libraries. For example, one, import NumPy. And example two, the syntax one, import math. Import the math. Or example three, import SciPy. Another example, fourth example, import random. These are the different first syntax. The syntax one is import any module name. Here is a import is a keyword. The module name is NumPy. Here is a import is a keyword. Module name is math. This is a module name. The module name is a math module. Import. The module name is SciPy. Import. The module name is random. This is completely syntax one. Okay. We're calling the different formats in different ways. Okay, for example, that is explained in the later, no problem. And the syntax two, second syntax, import module name as alias name. Is the second syntax. Is the syntax. For example, example one, import module name is NumPy as alias name is n. Alias name without using any enter the module name, we are using only alias name. The alias name is n. For example, and another example, example two, second example, import second example, math as m. Math is a module name. The alias name is m. Example, another example, import math. For example, SciPy. Import SciPy as s. Another example, import random as r. These are the import keywords using the import keyword. This is explained in here. Please see. For example, in Python 3.8.2, you are using present import first one, import math. This is the syntax one. Math dot py. Display the py value. Module name dot the variable name. For example, math dot e, the e value. Math dot sqrt, square root of 100 is the print the value. For example, math dot power of 3, 4. 3 into 3 into 3. The value of this is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Value equal to 9 into 9, 20, 81.2. This is the first syntax one. Import math, math.py, math.e, and so on. Clear, guys, up to here? Now, and another one. So now the second one is alias name. Without using every time we are using yum dot math dot. Now the next syntax is import math as yum. We are using the alias name. In the first syntax, math.py. Here we are using yum.py. Yum is the alias of the math. M.E, sqrt of 100. Clear, guys, up to here? First two syntaxes. And here M.sqrt of, for example, the power of 3, 4 to print the value of this one. In the place of module name, we are using the alias name. Clear, all up here? This is a syntax 2. And the third syntax, we are importing more than one modules also. The syntax 3. Third syntax 3. Okay, this syntax is used to, this one is used to import more than one module at a time. To import more than one module at a time. The syntax is import module name 1. Module name is the first module. Module name is 1, and module name 2, and module name 3, and so on. Any number of modules. For example 1, we are using import math random, okay, and numpy, and example keyword. These are the two modules are imported only one time, only one statement. So this statement is used to importing the more than one module name. Module name 1, module name 2, module name 3, and so on. Any number of modules, and so on, etc. More than one modules are imported by in this command import math random numpy and the rest. Is it possible? Please see this one. For example, import math numpy, okay, and keyword and sum. Importing more than one modules also. Clear? And now the SciPy is not available, numpy is not available. So now for example, import math and random, okay, math random and a keyword and OS. Importing the more than one module at a time. Here we are importing the more than one module. Here, for example, math.e, math.py, and math.power of 3, 4, and example keyword dot kw. So display the more than sub values. It's up. Clear, guys, up here. This is used to importing the more than one module at a time. That's the syntax 3. And the fourth syntax is syntax 4 is to import more than one module with alias name. With alias names. Importing more than one module with alias name. The syntax is import module name 1 as alias name, alias 1, and the second module, and import module name 2 as alias 2, and so on, etc. Importing the more than one module with aliasing. For example 1 here, okay, import math as m, and random as r, and numpy as n, and keyword as k. Importing the more than one module at a time. You see this one. Okay. Now here, go to the command prompt, go to the shell prompt, import math as m. Importing more than one module. Keyword as k. Random as r. Importing more than one module at a time. Now we are using k.kw list. Okay. K dot is keyword of, for example, while is a keyword or not. Whether the value is true keyword. For example, k dot is keyword of For example, hello. Hello is not keyword. Not a keyword. It is the value equal to false. For example, m dot pi value, m dot pi value, m dot e value, m dot power of 3 comma 4 is to the 8.10. This is the completely the syntax is the syntax is the okay. The syntax is now clear, guys. This is syntax of 4 syntax. Now here we are using syntax 5. Syntax 5. Syntax 5. Importing more than one modules. Okay, to importing with from. Okay. Import modules. Import modules with from keyword. Import modules with from keyword. Here the syntax is import from module name, import all. The module contains a list of variables and list of functions. Import all. For example, we want to import the module. Example 1 from math. Import all. All means star. Here all means that this is a syntax file. With the syntax, this is all. All means star. Example 2. Second one, from random import star. Example 3, from numpy import star. Example 4, from scipy import star. Star means all the functions and all the variables. Importing all the functions and all the variables, and go to the Python shell prompt and run the modules. And the given command. Now the command is from math import star. Star means all modules. Here no need of math.py. That is not needed. Here no need of m.py without aliasing name, without module name, without alias name. You can access the variables and functions. Here we can access the variable that is a constant is pi. Without alias name, without module name, key value, without alias name, and with import and from keywords. Both are combining using the, you can access the variables and functions without module name or without the alias name. Now, for example, power of 3 comma 4. In the previous example, we are using math.power. Okay. For example, is a m.power. Now we are using only okay, without using any alias name. That is the fifth syntax. Here, guys. And one more syntax is the last syntax, and the last one is sixth one is to import modules, import the specified variables and functions only. For example, the syntax is from module name import specified items. Okay, for example 1, for example, from math import pi comma e only. The remaining are not imported. Example 2, from keyword module, import only KW list. And example 3, from OS module, import some RMDIR only. The remaining are not imported. This is easy to import the specified modules only. And run this one. For example, from math import only pi. Other is not imported. Only pi. Example, pi. This is the pi. And e. Okay, to e value. For example, from keyword import only KW list. Now the KW list is displayed. Example, if you want to trying to, for example, is keyword of hello. Now it is the value is because keyword is not identified. The keyword is not identified because this keyword function is not imported. Here we are importing only one item. The item is KW list only. Okay, in Python, the import statement, import statement is available 4 syntaxes. Import and from keyword is used in the another 2 syntaxes. The totally the import statement is available in 6 different formats. Okay, guys, up to here, clear all of you. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.